Okay, hi guys. So the question for today is, in teens trying to quit smoking, is CBT more effective than nicotine replacement therapy? So this is clearly a therapy question. We're gonna do the PICO for it. So the population is the teens or the smoking teens that are, yes, the teens or smoking teens. The intervention is CBT. The comparison, it is compared to replacement therapy, to nicotine replacement therapy, and the outcome is gonna be quitting smoking. So first of all, we're gonna go to Medline through the AUB website, and we're gonna search for the databases and look for Medline. Then we're gonna click on the widest database. We're gonna this one, yes, the one on which we clicked, and then we're gonna write in the search bar quit smoking, and we're gonna search for it, and we're gonna map it to the mesh term. So the mesh here is smoking cessation. This is the one relevant to us. Then we're gonna go to the highlighted in blue, and we're gonna, apparently there is nothing to explode, so we're gonna continue.
Smoking reduction, cessation.
Tobacco use cessation, I think it's useful. Smoking reduction, come on, they look good. Okay, then we're gonna continue, and since there is no explode, so there is no subheading. I remember. Okay. After that, we're gonna write CBT or cognitive. يمكن it's better to write it all. Let's see. Okay. This is the right mesh to it. We're gonna map it. We're gonna go to the highlighted, and we're gonna explode it. Here we can explode, and we're gonna go to continue. It should give us subheadings. We're gonna take all the subheadings, right? Or okay.
Yes.
Then we're gonna write nicotine replacement therapy, and we're gonna do the same search, and we're gonna في هون شوي complicated أكتر يمكن، بس I think it's a good حتى نشوف teens or smoking teens replacement therapy. I mean I think they fit إنه إذا بنرجع لورا شوي. مظبوط. Let's try to go back to see the other options. بركي nicotine. Let's see nicotine. Okay, and we go down. Okay, let's go back to see other meshes. ما شكله هون there is something useful for us.
Tobacco use cessation devices.
Let's try to search only for nicotine replacement. Nicotine replacement. Do we have anything? Nicotine agonists, nicotine replacement. لا, search as keyword. صراحة this is tough. We need a minute to think about it شوي.
It's included in smoking cessation.
Yes. ونحن بس in the first mesh we mapped it to smoking cessation.
So maybe it's already included.
Maybe we need. Let's try and look for nicotine analogs.
Health risk behavior self-examination.
I think there was a mesh nicotine agonists.
Okay.
حتى نشوف. Maybe لأنه it makes sense. هون هيدي البلس شو بتعطينا إذا نكبس على البلس هون.
So we explode.
ليكي the nicotine replacement varenicline is one of them صراحة. شكلهم I think this is it. Drug terms. Let's explode. Okay. Include all subheadings. Now we're gonna combine. We have the concepts 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna combine them with AND in order to have all of them in the same article. And here we are. How many articles we have? 87. Now we are not done yet. We have to put a limit to our search, and we are gonna limit it by age, and we're gonna choose the age child above شوية لفوق لا لفوق all child 0 to 18 because we are targeting teens.
Teens, so maybe there is an option for only teens. Adolescent.
Okay, yes, this is much better. And we're gonna put the publication type randomized control trial. لا كنت لتحت شوي لا randomized. we could also modify the clinical queries, but in the therapy questions it's either or. So we're gonna go for publication types because doing both does not make much sense. And then we click on limit the search, and here we can see, whoa, we have limited from 87 to 8. And that's it. Then we're gonna export it. Where do we export? It was something here.
It was here.
Yes, export. Microsoft Word. The fields يمكن yes, the search history.
Citation and abstract.
Okay, and we export. Perfect. Thank you for our session. Yes.
For the Medline. Now there's the PubMed.
Yes.
Okay, let's
do
put it together.
In the same video? Okay.
Yeah,
let's do it.
You're late.
It doesn't matter. I think هيدا أخذتنا 5 minutes.
Okay.
So now Amal is gonna take on for the PubMed case.
Yes. Okay.
So first we go to PubMed, and what is the question?
So the question is, would vaccinating the children with the MMR vaccine cause autism? The type of question is harm or etiology. The population is children. The intervention is MMR vaccine. The comparison is no MMR vaccine, so technically there's no comparison when we're going to search for it, and the outcome is autism. We go to PubMed, we scroll down to find, and we click on clinical queries. Okay, and then in the search box there is a automatic boolean and, so we just write MMR vaccine autism. No need to write and. Okay, so we check that the category is etiology, not therapy, and we keep it broad for now, and then we might change to narrow. Okay, and we search for it.
I clicked search, but the results are here.
Okay. So we go to see all results. And maybe if we have the search details box, okay, we don't have it. So we go up, we go to advanced. Yes. And then we press on the search number 1. Yes, press on it. Okay. And now we check that the terms were mapped to the right meshes. So we start with measles, mumps. Okay, the first term is correct, and then the second is vaccine. And vaccine, measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. Those are the keywords, and then we have autism as a mesh. Where is autism as a mesh? I didn't.
Autistic disorder mesh term.
Okay,
this is
perfect.
it?
Yes, that's
okay,
it.
Good.
And here you can check. This is the mesh term for MMR. This is the mesh term for
autism.
Okay, mesh term, autistic disorder. Okay, and now we're not done yet. We want to go back to all the results that we found already, and we want to add filters, which is age. So we go down to additional filters, and we go to age, and we choose child, birth to 18 years. We remove this, okay, and we show. But it's not enough. We have to click on child. Okay, and now we got less results. But even narrow down even more our search, we change from broad.
Where is it?
From broad.
Okay. To narrow.
To narrow. We write narrow instead. Okay. Perfect. And we can also, if you want to narrow down even more, we can go to the advanced and remove the keywords, because PubMed gives you mesh and keyword. So we can only copy paste the mesh terms, and by this way we are just removing the keywords.
We can try to remove everything that has all fields instead of mesh term.
Yes.
So we click on them.
click on it. لا.
جربي انت انا بالماك مش معود.
Okay. So technically we just want to copy paste هذا الشيء.
إذا بدك هيك لو تكوني مرتاحة.
So we'll do this. We'll copy paste. Okay, here. And we want the autism term mesh. Okay, and we want to add this one. So etiology. So I want to copy paste this. Let's start with this. نرجع لأنه الفلتر I can't copy it. And of course even narrower, and the filter is on. And I think that's it. We just need to export.
I think we press save maybe.
So yeah, okay.
Let's
save.
try. Yes.
Create file.
Let's see. بselection شو بيعطينا.
All results.
خلينا ناخد all results يعني. لا مش بس on this page.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay. Summary text. Just create file. And I don't think it's
بس it's not search history مثل هيديك. حتى نشوف.
So maybe we can convert it.
لا حتى نشوف. Let's go back to the website to see.
Yeah, I think there's another way.
تحت
send
شلون؟
my bibliography. لا. Okay, تحت.
ما بعرف صراحة.
No, I think that's it أصلاً يعني. When we save it and we create the file, I think from here إذا بنروح على downloads. Where is it? Okay, maybe we can
open with. هات نشوف.
Okay, that's it.
This is the articles that we had.
So that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.